What is up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, it's me again, Mr. Learning, and we're back with another video. Alright, so today I'm gonna be teaching you how to insert or add a header or a footer in our MS Word document. Alright, if we are talking about headers, my dear friends, this consists the name of our office, okay, especially if we have businesses, especially if we are working in the government, alright, or in both public and private companies. There will always be headers in terms of documents. Alright, but before we proceed, my dear friends, if this is your first time to visit my channel, don't forget to hit that like, share, comment, and subscribe, and of course the notification bell for you to get updated with my latest uploads. In this channel, I'm always uploading video tutorials about computers, softwares just like this one, and more in different subject areas. Alright, so I'm gonna be teaching you how to insert a header and at the same time a footer. Right, so this is our workspace. Okay, we are now in MS Word right now, and the first thing that we will insert, of course, is our header. Right, how to do it? On the upper part of our paper or our soft copy, okay, double click here, left click. There you go, header and of course footer below our document. All right, it serves as a trademark somehow. Okay. The first thing is, let's put in Republic of the Philippines, Kevin, Mr. Capitalize the name of your company, all right? Mr. Learning Institute of Technology. Right, the next, enter the region 2. Okay, then the exact town in which our office or company is located, Santa Teresita, Cagayan. Santa Teresita, Cagayan. Alright, so this is already our header, my dear friends. But to make it even more formal or appealing in the eyes of other people, of course, we need to center the text, okay? Highlight, then go to home, then choose the text alignment here, Control E or center. Click. There you go. Now, we also need to turn the name of our company into bold. Okay, Control B. Alright, then it will already your choice if what type of font style are you going to choose. Alright, I'm gonna use this one for just this in demo. Alright, the next, okay, let's proceed with our foot. Right, just a trademark. Okay, I'm gonna put this one, Mr. Learning Institute of Technology. Right. Then I want this on the rightmost or lower right part of my document. There you go. Then I'll change the font style. Okay. Control B. There you go, my dear friends. We're ready to write our letters. Okay, then after that, your letter, alright, to the school head. There you go. Okay. Alright, then we're good to go. We're good to make our letter. Okay, we have our header here, and at the same time, we have our footer. There you go. Let me zoom it out. There you go, my dear friends. My header, my content, and my footer. Alright, so that's it for now, my dear friends. That it's how to insert a header and a footer in MS Word. Hope you've learned something, and see you again next time.